how to make your own photo engraving like this. Okay, follow these quick and easy steps. Really simple with a laser engraver. Step 2, choose an offcut. Any offcut that you have. MDF is perfect as it hasn't got a grain. Step 3, paint it white. Next, spray your piece black or grey, whatever colour you prefer. Next step, put it in your laser. Next step, bring your photo into LightBurn. Right click on the photo, go to adjust image. And the trick for this is make sure you click negative image, okay? You want to make sure that is green and highlighted so your photo looks like this. If you don't do that, you are going to get the reverse image. It's going to be a back to front inverted image. So what I do like about these photos is they're very dotty. They've got a kind of cartoony look to them. They look really good in person. But if you really want this to be more high res, more of a perfect high res image without all the little dots, as you can see here, although I do love that look, then we can turn up the res or the line interval. Okay, as you can see there, line interval 0.250. That seems to be standard when you turn on the settings. We are going to be making this image with that setting. So there we go. There are the settings if you are looking for a high res. The line interval 0.060. I haven't touched any other settings, but if you do want the more cartoony dotty look, bring that line interval up to about 0.250. So you're getting less lines per millimeter. Let me show you burn settings. So in cuts and layers, you will have this pop up. For some reason it popped up with a line. That's because I put a box around my image to crop it. Okay, but I'm not going to output the line. I'm only going to output the image. And this is the settings I've gone with. It was a complete guess, but it works really well. The image, as you can see, it's 6,900 millimeters per minute, I believe, and 10% power. And that's what gets me these fantastic photos. We can just make sure we frame that piece of material in our laser. I've got a piece of wood there as reference, got 2 lines, so every time I put a new board in, I just match it up against the 2 pencil lines, and that is exactly the same place as the last one I did. There you go, it's doing its thing, and I'm using a 60-watt laser, by the way. It's the Creality Falcon 2 Pro. You can quite easily use something less powerful, a budget laser. It doesn't have to be very powerful for this type of work. 5 watts or a 10 watt will most likely do the trick on this type of project, because you do not need a lot of power to burn through the top layer of paint. And as you can see, this big old picture that I'm making, which is about 320 by 220, is going to take 48 minutes. Not bad, eh? We're going to check back in a bit, show you the finished results. Right, so we are all done. Let's pull it out, see what we've got. These things are truly amazing. I just love the fact that I can make these out of scrap MDF. I've never had any way of using my scrap MDF rather than chucking it away or using it for wardrobes. Upcycle our offcuts and turn them into something amazing like this. So it was really simple. You can roller the paint on, by the way. You don't need to use a sprayer. Put the white paint on, it will dry in no time at all. Then you apply whatever colour you like. It's black because I sprayed a black top coat. You can go with red, you can go with green, you can go with blue, you can do multicoloured as the top coat, and then it could be a funky retro design photo. And this is about 300 by 200 and 80mm thick. Really simple, nice and easy. You've got the settings now to do this, and as you can see the close-up, the dots I just think it looks really awesome, and it looks so much better in person. This is at the Tottenham ground, by the way, guys. Me and my dad are Tottenham fans. We go every week whenever there's a game. Anyway, so I hope that has helped. We're going to be selling these, so if you do want to buy one yourself, you want me to make one of these for you, head over to my store. If they are not there, send me a message, send me an email, because it's pretty new and it might not be up there just yet. All you'd need to do is send me a photo or two, and I can post them out to you. So there you go, guys. Hope that has helped. Hope you like it. Take it easy. Make sure you leave a comment, like and subscribe. Thanks again. Ciao for now.